In this video, I will talk about 7 surprising health benefits of cloves and how they contribute to our overall health. Cloves are flower buds of clove tree. Cloves are best known as a sweet and aromatic spice, but they have also been used in traditional medicine. We will see the top 7 health benefits of cloves. Cloves kill bacteria. Cloves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. Studies have shown that cloves kill common bacteria, including E. coli, which is a bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Studies also show that cloves may promote oral health, thanks to their antimicrobial properties, which may help kill harmful bacteria. Cloves are high in antioxidants. In addition to containing several important vitamins and minerals, cloves are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of chronic disease. Cloves also contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to act as a natural antioxidant. Including cloves in your diet along with other antioxidant-rich foods can help improve your overall health. 3. Cloves may help protect against cancer. Research suggests that the compounds found in cloves might help protect against cancer. One study found that clove extract helped stop the growth of tumors and promoted cell death in cancer cells. The eugenol found in cloves has also been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 4. Cloves may improve liver health. Studies show that the beneficial compounds in cloves could help promote liver health. The compound eugenol may be especially beneficial for the liver. Cloves are also high in antioxidants, which may help prevent liver disease due to their ability to help decrease oxidative stress. 5. Cloves may help regulate your blood sugar. Research shows that compounds found in cloves may help keep blood sugar under control. Cloves and nigericin were found to increase the uptake of sugar from the blood into cells, increase the secretion of insulin, and improve the function of cells that produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone responsible for transporting sugar from your blood into your cells. The proper functioning of insulin is essential for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. In combination with a balanced diet, cloves could help keep your blood sugar levels in check. 6. Cloves may promote bone health. Low bone mass is a condition that affects an estimated 43 million older adults in the United States alone. It can lead to development of osteoporosis, which may increase the risk of breaks and fractures. Some of the compounds in cloves have been shown to help preserve bone mass in research studies. 7. Cloves may reduce stomach ulcers. Research indicates that compounds found in cloves could help treat stomach ulcers. Also known as peptic ulcers, stomach ulcers are painful sores that form in the lining of the stomach, duodenum, or esophagus. They are most caused by reductions in the protective lining of the stomach, which are due to factors like stress, infection, and genetics. In one study, essential oil from cloves was shown to increase the production of gastric mucus. Gastric mucus functions as a barrier and helps prevent erosion of the stomach lining from the digestive acids. Cloves have many potential health benefits, including keeping blood sugar in check and helping block the growth of bacteria. As with many healthy foods, they are most effective when included as part of a healthy and balanced diet. Try integrating a few servings of cloves per week into your meals. Thank you for listening. If you like our video, please click on the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and let us know your suggestions in the comments below. Thank you.